Everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I want to look at the Bridgestone Turanza EL440 tires. So this one's OEM on my vehicle. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really push that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Folks, so today we want to look at the Bridgestone Turanza EL440. The size on these tires are 235/45 R18s, and these are the original equipment on my 2022 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder SE. And you can see this over here. It's black wall, and it's it's pretty nice size tire. It holds really well, holds its form. It doesn't sag or anything like that. Some tires actually sag. Sometimes the Michelin's sag in the front and stuff like that. So you're not going to have that problem. So here's the pattern. Pretty much a crisscross pattern. Nothing too special, I guess, on the treadwear over here. 10-30 seconds is the depth. And, these are just ordinary OEM tires. So OEM tires are not considered the best in many cases. And, you got to see the Bridgestone on the sidewall over here. You got the date there, Department of Transportation. And we also had these safety warnings. The treadwear is 480, traction's A, and temperature's A. So yes, pretty firm riding tire. So this one in particular, especially it suits this SE model pretty well. So if you want something pretty stiff, when you're driving down the street and won't absorb that many bumps, but you want to feel the road, this might be the tire for you. So if you take a look at this a little bit more, I mean the patterns, and it holds its form really well. It's rounded on the sides. You can see that over here. And it's not too noisy. The ride actually is pretty firm overall. So I want to point that out. Wet service, it's not bad. I wouldn't say it's that great either. It's all season tire, so it may not be good in everything. But usually dry weather is pretty good for this tire. And I'm going to share what TireRack.com has on the data, what they surveyed the people that have tried these tires before. Like any tire, when the tire gets older, your stopping distance can be longer, and also the tire won't be as good in the future. So, want something to note. If you driving in the winter, I suggest you get winter tires. It's definitely worth it. You have snow and stuff like that. So let's go over what TireRack.com has. I can't show their numbers, but I could tell you. So the wet is only a 6.1 on wet surfaces. Dry is 7.2, which is pretty good. All right. Snow is poor, 3.2, and comfort is 5.9. That's not bad at all. It depends if you want the stiff ride, I guess. The tires are not too noisy at all. I'm very surprised. That Toyota is giving these tires on their Camry SEs, and it's not the worst tire. I've seen some worse ones. Treadwear is only 4.3, so that's the feedback from the survey from the consumers on TireRack.com. So I don't know how long the treadwear will definitely last. I guess it depends on your driving and your road condition as well too. We appreciate it if you can help me for thumbs up. Comment or share, please leave it below. And let me know in the comments when you buy this tire or a different tire altogether. And see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.